Hey there guys, I'm Tamir with Cooking with Tamir, and today we're going to show you how to make some vegan muffins. So the first thing that you'll need when making your vegan muffins are your main ingredients, which are flour, baking soda, baking powder, sugar, nutmeg, and cinnamon. And of course, water, and remember, no eggs. Alright, so let's get started. So you'll need a measuring cup. Any standard measuring cup will do. You want to make sure that you have a nice size mixing bowl. This one I brought from my local dollar store. Make sure that when you are measuring, that you are measuring and mixing properly. So one of the things that you don't want to do is you don't want to mix your wet ingredients before your dry ingredients. For this recipe, we're going to use blueberries. We'll use 2 tablespoons of cinnamon and 2 tablespoons of nutmeg. And as you can see here, we already have it pre-mixed. We'll use 1/3 of a cup of oil. And 1 cup and 1/3 of a cup of water. So one of the things that you don't want to do is you don't want to mix your wet ingredients before your dry ingredients, or vice versa, especially if your recipe calls for mixing the ingredients in a certain way. So make sure all of you out there who are learning to bake, and all of our newbie bakers, keep in mind that when it comes to baking, mixing your ingredients in the proper order will get that delicious baked good that you're looking for. Okay, so when you're finished with your muffins are going to come out like this. So as you can see, I've already eaten a muffin. I love to eat and cook at the same time. So usually when I'm cooking and when I'm baking or cooking anything, I'm always full before I leave the kitchen. So in today's episode, we made sure to prepare the finished product for you guys. So this is what your muffins should look like whenever you're finished. These have been in the refrigerator for quite a while, but they did come out soft and fluffy like our traditional muffin. So we're gonna go ahead and take one out, and we're going to just break it for you so you can see what the inside of this muffin actually looks like. Now I did place this in the refrigerator, so it is a bit stale. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna just pop it in the microwave for a few seconds, and then we're just gonna break that bad boy just to see what that texture is like. Alright, so I just put this muffin. Hey sis! Hi! So this is my beautiful, wonderful sister. She actually does a lot of helping out with the production work when it comes to creating these episodes. What we're going to do is we're going to now just throw the cake off on the side, put it in the microwave, and it's a little warm, so if you look really closely, you can see how the steam is rising from the muffin, right? So I'm breaking it open. All right, so you can actually see the steam from the muffin. We use the real blueberries for this recipe, so as you can see, as you open it, I'm gonna bring it closer. Let's see, take a look at that. All right, so we got like a nice steamy muffin, which is what we're looking for. Texture-wise, it's very soft, just like your muffin that you buy from a local Starbucks or grocery store. And so, whenever you're out and on the go, we're gonna go ahead and just pop one in. So it's great. It tastes like a beautiful, wonderful, traditional muffin. So I hope this recipe is able to help a lot of people out there who are looking for options when it comes to baking, and an easy recipe, especially if you're vegan. So I'm going to go ahead and enjoy the rest of this muffin here. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more of our videos, subscribe to us on YouTube. You can also add us to Facebook, and you can check us out on Instagram. Alright, thanks guys, enjoy, and ciao. For more Cooking with Tamir and vegan recipes, Go to our YouTube page and subscribe on YouTube. Also go to our Facebook page, add us on Facebook. And if you get bored, share some of our recipes with your friends. Thanks again for watching, and you guys enjoy. Have a great day.